I'm here too.
Okay, Tyler's here, and so is Shelby. And so is Manny. And so is my mom. We're also bringing coffees to the functions.
And
The
Mountain
function
Dew.
is my grandma's house for Memorial Day.
We have Mountain Dew too.
All my candy. Is it Labor Day? It's Labor Day.
Yeah.
And
You
a
ever
bunch
thought
of
it was
candy.
Groundhog Day?
I thought they were the same thing.
Yeah, we have a bag of candy from the parade.
And our Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
That's mine. Get that away from your hand.
Talia's friend is saying that our YouTube video is stupid, and
Yeah,
we don't
look.
appreciate
She's
it.
stupid.
When's your birthday? Comment below.
Comment below when you're
But the comments are turned off.
They are? Yeah. Guys, the comments aren't supposed to be turned off. It's turned off because I put the YouTube videos as made for kids so that it shows up on our school Chromebooks. So in case somebody's like, you know, at school and wants to watch our good videos.
I think we should turn the comments off so they can comment down their birthdays and their
Bro,
favorite food.
bro. I saw that comment before it got deleted. Commented it was like, this is the dumbest video ever, or something like that.
He's the dumbest person ever.
We see your comment.
Y'all.
Yeah.
Haters only make us stronger. We're gonna.
We're gonna go now. I pushed the button. We're at the function. Our favorite part so far is the couch in the mirror. My favorite part so far is the grandkids picture. Okay, let's not show that. Love this house more than anything. It's my Grammys. Okay, we're gonna go change.
Rating the furniture here at Tina's house. I have to say, this is a strong 10 out of 10 bed. It's beautiful, comfy, and I could definitely take a 4-hour nap in this bed.
Do a flip.
I don't know how to dive. You're gonna edit me and make me look like I'm doing a flip, okay? Ready?
Yes. That was so good. Yes. Okay, so we just ate. We played volleyball.
We ate.
Talia's muscles. Here's feet.
Duck your head.
Duck. Skinny legend.
How do you even limbo?
Like this.
Good enough.
Having so much fun.
And it made the chip get
This is a nightmare.
Do not touch me, Talia.
Oh my god. Ow. That really hurt.
An eviction?
Yeah.
Talia!
Yeah. Man.
Why did you push me?
Oh my god, there's water. Oh my gosh. I think it's mine. I'm gonna hit you. I'm hitting you on your arm. Hannah lurking. Hannah is lurking right now. Move, Talia. Bro is lurking.
I have a secret. These people suck.
Not me though, because I'm not playing. Right in the I think Talia, you broke it.
No, it was broke when I came over here.
Mine.
Bro!
Bro, I don't think I fixed it. She's working.